Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into how you can make money from YouTube Shorts. If you're looking to turn your creativity into cash, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Creating high-quality content is the foundation of any successful YouTube Shorts channel. It's not just about hitting the record button, it's about crafting a story, an experience that resonates with your audience. Choose a niche that interests you and has the potential to attract viewers. This could be anything from tech reviews to cooking tutorials, as long as it excites you and has a dedicated audience. Popular niches include entertainment, education, technology, fashion, and lifestyle. Each of these categories has a vast audience base, and tapping into them can significantly boost your channel's growth. Your videos should be unique, catchy, and tailored to grab attention quickly. Think about what makes your content stand out and how you can present it in a way that is both engaging and informative. Invest in a good camera and microphone and make sure your videos are well lit and have clear audio. High production quality can make a significant difference in how your content is perceived. Use editing software to add effects, transitions, and music that enhance the viewing experience. Editing is where you can really polish your content and make it shine. Posting regularly helps keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Consistency is key in building a loyal viewer base, so plan your content schedule and stick to it. Leverage trending topics, challenges, and hashtags for more visibility. Staying current with trends can help your content reach a wider audience and keep your channel relevant. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a community around your content. Engaging with your audience makes them feel valued and more connected to your channel. The more you interact with your viewers, the more loyal they will become. Building a strong community can turn casual viewers into dedicated fans who support your channel in the long run. Growing your audience on YouTube Shorts requires a strategic approach. Post consistently to keep your audience engaged and increase your chances of being discovered. Leverage trends by creating content around popular topics. Optimize your titles and descriptions with keywords. Create eye-catching thumbnails that entice people to click on your videos. Collaborate with other creators to cross-promote each other's content. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and asking questions. Promote your shorts on other social media platforms. The more exposure your content gets, the faster your audience will grow.
I feel nauseous, believe me.
To start earning money from YouTube Shorts, you need to meet YouTube's monetization requirements. These requirements are essential to ensure that your channel is eligible to earn revenue. Join the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, by having at least 1,000 subscribers. This is a crucial step as it shows that you have a dedicated audience. Additionally, you need 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. This metric indicates that viewers are consistently engaging with your content. Alternatively, you can qualify with 10 million Shorts views in the previous 90 days. This is a great option for those focusing on short-form content. Once approved, you can start earning money through ads shown on your shorts. These ads are a primary source of revenue for many creators. Explore other revenue streams like the YouTube Shorts Fund, which provides bonuses to top-performing shorts creators. Additionally, consider brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and merchandising. Use YouTube Analytics to monitor your progress. This tool is invaluable for understanding your audience and improving your content strategy. Continue creating high-quality content and engaging with your audience. Responding to comments and interacting on social media can help build a loyal community to maintain and grow your income. Diversifying your content and revenue streams can lead to more stable earnings. Be patient and persistent. Success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication, you can achieve your goals. Building a successful YouTube Shorts channel takes time and effort. Consistency is key, so keep producing and refining your content. Stay focused on your goals, keep improving your content, and always be open to learning new techniques. And you'll eventually reach the monetization milestone. Celebrate your achievements and continue striving for excellence. The YouTube Shorts Fund is a $100 million fund that YouTube has set aside to reward creators for their most engaging and popular shorts. To be eligible, you don't need to meet the same requirements as YPP. YouTube will notify you if you qualify for a payout based on the performance of your shorts. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. Stay updated with YouTube's guidelines and policies regarding the Shorts Fund. Engage with your audience and encourage them to interact with your content. Keep an eye on your YouTube notifications and emails for payout updates. As your YouTube Shorts channel grows, you'll start attracting the attention of brands and companies looking to partner with creators. Focus on building a strong personal brand and creating high-quality content that aligns with your niche. Be transparent with your audience about sponsored content. Negotiate fair deals with brands and understand the terms of the partnership. Reach out to brands that align with your niche and pitch your channel for potential sponsorships. Collaborate with other creators or join influencer networks. Use YouTube Analytics to monitor the success of your sponsored videos. Build long-term relationships and secure more sponsorship deals in the future. Affiliate marketing is another effective way to monetize your YouTube Shorts. Promote products related to your niche and include affiliate links in the description. Join affiliate programs that align with your niche. Create engaging and informative shorts that showcase the products you're promoting. Include a clear call to action in your shorts, encouraging viewers to check out the product and use your affiliate link. Track the performance of your affiliate links using analytics tools. Be transparent with your audience about your affiliate partnerships. Experiment with different types of affiliate content. Find what works best for your audience and continue to refine your approach. If you have a loyal and engaged audience, merchandising can be a fantastic way to monetize your YouTube Shorts channel. Design products that resonate with your audience. Choose a reliable merchandise platform to handle the production, sales, and shipping of your products. Promote your merchandise in your shorts by showcasing the products and encouraging your viewers to check out your store. Engage with your audience by asking for their input on new designs and products. Offer special promotions and discounts to incentivize your audience to purchase your merchandise. Keep track of your merchandise sales and gather feedback from your customers. Use this information to improve your products and marketing strategy. Cross-promoting your content on other social media platforms is a powerful strategy to drive more views to your YouTube Shorts and increase your monetization potential. By leveraging the audience you have on different platforms, you can create a network of content that supports and amplifies each other. Share your shorts on your other social media profiles. This includes platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and even LinkedIn. Each platform has its own unique audience, and by sharing your content across these channels, you can reach a wider and more diverse group of viewers. Create engaging posts that highlight the key points of your videos and include a call to action encouraging your followers to watch the full video on YouTube. Use eye-catching thumbnails and compelling captions to grab attention and entice viewers to click through. Engage with your audience on these platforms by responding to comments, asking questions, and participating in discussions. Building a community around your content can lead to higher engagement rates and more loyal followers who are eager to watch and share your videos. Collaborate with influencers and creators on other platforms to cross-promote each other's content. This can introduce your content to new audiences and provide mutual benefits for both parties involved. Look for creators who share a similar niche or audience to maximize the impact of your collaboration. Use hashtags and keywords relevant to your niche to increase the discoverability of your posts. Hashtags can help your content get found by people who are interested in similar topics, and using trending hashtags can give your posts a boost in visibility. Promote your YouTube Shorts in relevant online communities, forums, and groups. These spaces are often filled with people who are passionate about specific topics, making them ideal places to share your content and attract viewers who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Track the performance of your cross-promotion efforts using analytics tools provided by social media platforms. Analyzing data such as engagement rates, click-through rates, and audience demographics can help you understand what works best and refine your strategy for even better results in the future. Super Thanks is an exciting feature that allows fans to tip their favorite creators directly on YouTube. Encourage your audience to use this feature in your shorts. Let them know that their support helps you continue creating high-quality content. Create engaging and heartfelt content that resonates with your audience. Promote Super Thanks in your video descriptions and pinned comments. Engage with your supporters and show appreciation for their contributions. Mention their names in your videos, respond to their comments, and create special shout-outs for your top supporters. Monitor the performance of Super Thanks using YouTube Analytics. Use this data to refine your approach and maximize your earnings from super thanks. Tracking your performance is crucial for understanding what works and what doesn't on your YouTube Shorts channel. Use YouTube Analytics to gain valuable insights into your audience's behavior and preferences. Monitor key metrics such as views, watch time, and audience retention. Analyze the demographics of your viewers to tailor your content better. Pay attention to the performance of individual shorts. Track the performance of your monetization efforts. Experiment with different types of content, posting schedules, and promotion strategies. Set goals and track your progress over time. Regularly review your performance and adjust your strategy as needed to achieve your goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money from YouTube Shorts. See you in the next video. By implementing the strategies we've discussed, you can turn your creativity into a profitable venture on YouTube Shorts. Stay tuned for more content to help you grow your channel and achieve your goals.